Okay, good day guys. This is the engine, the Acura engine that the compressor and the alternator was pulled out from. You can see how terrible the alternator looks like. That's got me like, how the hell does this alternator still function with all these grimes, dirt and engine oil everywhere? Okay, let's get to it. Hello, good day. This is Mr. Quarter Fix. You can see how terrible this compressor is for Acura model. Whoop. Thank God I'm even about to do this. See the wire have brazed out, so which I'm gonna be addressing. Ooh, now that got me wondering. Okay, let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do here is to remove the pulley, because I want to make sure that everything here is looking sparkling clean when I'm done. So I'm gonna remove this pulley. I'm gonna remove this one, but this one's gonna stay attached. The reason there is because my tent, I don't know where my tent is, so, and because I want to really do this. Okay, let me see if I can get this one out so that it can just be only the compressor. So let's get it. I have another tent here, but it's supposed to flat is supposed to do it very well. So okay, finally it got it. The first time I tried it was in an engine. So by the way, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Right away, hit the smash button, smash the button right there. You know what to do. You're gonna be very surprised at the result we're gonna be achieving today. I've never showed this on camera before, but I've been doing it down here. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be really blown away the result we're gonna be getting. And you see this white thing right here is gonna be getting really dirty today. So this is the episode of getting your hands dirty. So let's get to it. Finally, this one is out. She's out. She's out, right? She's out, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get some tissue paper. Tissue paper. I always get this thing done. Get it. Close it very well, because I don't want either water or anything to get in there. Nothing gets in, nothing gets out. You get it? Right, yes. Nothing gets in, nothing get out. Now for this one right here, it's a really bit stucky, so I'm gonna lose it out and keep it one side. Right, so we're gonna wash it. It's gonna be as clean as here today. So I'm coming. Okay, that one is out. So what next do we got here? What next? I'm gonna keep this one, so that I'm gonna clean it too. Right? Okay, so what is left here is this pulley. So I got this one side, and this one also gonna be getting out. I think some people have come here, they have tampered with here. Probably maybe they change the shaft seal or some of those. Get this one. Okay, here we go. Be careful for your eye, those of you watching, be careful. Okay, this one is out. So gotta keep it aside. And this is what we're gonna be dealing with today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to keep the good guys out of the way, let the big guys come into the show. Okay. Oh, this is gonna get a lot better. So the first thing first here. First thing first. Really dirty. The most important thing about this whole series about cleaning is knowing the material that plays its own part very well. If you can know that, then I think it's to work your way up from down bottom, working your way up. So you gotta brush it, brush it. Metal grimes and all that. Woo. Now a lot of questions that most of you are gonna be asking: is this thing gonna turn out really good? Let's say just like some kind of a movie bad movie shows, like a horror movie or something. You don't know how it's gonna end sometimes. Sometimes you might know how it's gonna end. So the key thing here is to stay watching. And if it is too sticky, you get it out. Something like this. If it is too sticky, you wanna get this kind of gunk out of the way because we don't need them. And once those ones are done, we get it into this place too. Before we get everything back as it should, we want to make sure that every gunk right there that is sticky get out of the way first before the big guys comes into the show. Because the big guys don't like this kind of gunk. They want to do their job and do it straight with no hazy. You got it right? No hazy, no hazy, no hazy. I'm trying to be fast because I don't want to burn you guys time, so I'm gonna hit the gas pedal and see how it goes. I want to drink the new Pepsi. Okay. The gunk has a leaf. The gunk gotta leave. But you. Okay, so this is gonna be the first. Okay. Okay, we're getting the muscle.